Hey, what up guys? We're looking at the Canon Vixia R62, which is a very affordable YouTube camcorder, which you can use to film your kids, film vlogs. It does have a non-wide angle lens, so it's not necessarily good for vlogging unless you get a wide angle adapter. You can add a 3.5mm shotgun style microphone to this to get better audio. Watch the full video because you will see image quality of what this camcorder is capable of shooting. Like I said, it's full 1080p at 60 frames per second, and it's basically a point and shoot type style camera. It features full 1080p at 60 frames per second, also 32 gigs of internal memory, a microphone input, and you can have up to 32 gigs of an SD card inside. And it has Wi-Fi for wirelessly transferring your videos or pictures that you take from this camcorder. That we would get really any damage. And as people, usually we build bigger, stronger to last longer. Time to come to the beach is at night because it's cool, not a lot of people here, and it's just a lot more relaxing than coming in the daytime where you're burning your ass off. And like I said, I'm using this camera, I'm trying to review it and get some good shots, which will be up on my review channel. And this is my brother's camera, so I'm just testing it out and trying it out. It's actually not that bad. A lot of the reviews online say it's like horrible, it's crappy. Well, what do you expect? It's a $300 camcorder. It's not like a DSLR, but like I said, guys, I did get some cool shots that I will add to the vlog, but most of the footage I got will be up on the review. If you guys want to click the first link in the description box, it will take you to the full review of this camera. So with the Canon Vixia R62, what is this designed for? I've seen a lot of people online say it's not a very sharp camera. It's not very great when you zoom in because it has like a purple around the subject. And I will say this is an entry-level consumer camcorder. You know, you can use a cell phone, you can use a point-and-shoot camera now that gets better quality video than what this offers. I understand what this is for. This is for the mom and pop who just want to pull it out and take a video of their dog or their daughter or their son at like a football game, and you're going to get 32 gigs of an internal memory, up to 12 hours of footage at 1080p, 60 frames per second, and the highest resolution this offers. This is not for really documentaries or shooting high quality films or videos. It's not meant for that. It's not meant for shooting super high cinematic videos like a DSLR, because for a little bit more money you can get a Canon EOS M3, which is a mirrorless camera that shoots 1080p at 30 frames per second, but it also has a internal mic. It has a hot shoe mount, so you can mount like a Rode video mic, and it's an interchangeable lens camera, and it's a lot more professional than what this is. This is shooting in at full 1080p at 60 frames per second. You're seeing what the quality is. It's good for what it is.